Hello viewers, a warm welcome to your interesting channel. Today let's look at some of the major waterfalls in the world. Angel Falls, which is in Venezuela, which is also on River Gacha. This is the highest waterfall in the world. Iguazu Falls, which is in Argentina on the river Iguazu. Victoria Falls is on Zambia, is in river Zambezi. Niagara Falls is in Canada and USA, which is on river Niagara. Yosemite Falls, which is in California, USA, on the river Yosemite Creek. Falls, which is in Iceland. Kaieteur Falls, which is in Guyana, on the river Otaro. Lower Falls Yellowstone River, which is in USA on the river Yellowstone. Sutherland Falls, which is in New Zealand, river Arthur. Langfossen Falls, which is in Norway. Tugela Falls is in South Africa, river Tugela. Uttigod Falls in Norway, river Glacier Stream. Mong Falls in Norway, river Mongbek. Mutaraji Falls in Zimbabwe, river Mutaraji. Espland Falls in Norway, river Opo. Salto Kuknan in Venezuela, river Kukwenan. Dudhsagar Falls, India, river Mandovi. Kejil Falls, Norway, river Gudvangan. Ribbon Falls, USA, Ribbon Stream, Yosemite National Park. Della Falls, Canada, Drinkwater Creek. Gavarnie Falls, France, river Gave de Pau. Concore Falls, Guyana, river Concore. Cremer Falls, Austria, river Cremer. Takka Falls, Canada, Takka Creek. Vettis Falls, Norway, river Utla. Hunain Falls in Canada, river Hunain. Tin Mine Falls, Australia, Tin Mine Creek. Silver Strand Falls, USA, Silver Strand Creek. Silver Strand Falls is also called as Widow's Tears. Thank you listeners. We looked at the major waterfalls in the world. Thank you again.